Want a faster way to search anything you see on your Android phone? In today's video, I'll show you how to use one of the coolest Android features called Circle to Search. With this feature, you can instantly search text, images, videos, products, or anything on your screen without taking screenshots or switching apps. It's quick, smart, and super helpful for everyday use. Open the settings page. Once you are inside settings, scroll down and tap on display. In the display menu, keep scrolling until you find the navigation bar option, then tap on it. Inside the navigation bar settings, you will see an option called Circle to Search. Tap on it, then turn the toggle switch on to activate the feature. After enabling it, your phone is ready to use Circle to Search anytime. Now let's see how it works. Open any app like YouTube, Instagram, Chrome, or Gallery. When you find something you want to search, simply press and hold the home button if you use 3-button navigation. If your phone uses gesture navigation, press and hold the small navigation handle at the bottom of the screen. The screen will slightly dim and the Circle to Search tool will appear. Use your finger or S Pen to circle, tap, highlight, or scribble over any object, text, or image you want to search. Within seconds, Google will show search results directly from the bottom of the screen. You can swipe up to see more results or type extra questions in the Add to Your Search bar for more accurate information. And that's it. Now you know how to use Circle to Search on Android. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Android tips.